In this video, I'm going to show you how to get into affiliate marketing for free and generate $500 per day in passive income with Clickbank. But before we do that, go ahead and hit that subscription button and hit that notification button because I'm going to be making more videos of how to make money online. And you don't want to miss any. Here's a quick overview of what I'm going to be showing you today. All right, let's get going. How to get into affiliate marketing for free. Obviously, this is something for someone who wants to make money on Clickbank or on any other affiliate marketing network, but they want to do it very quickly. So I'm going to show you all the tricks. Number one, the best type of affiliate products to promote on Clickbank with 2 clicks of a button. Number two, what free app to use to create affiliate marketing funnel that includes free landing pages, free affiliate marketing email provider, free affiliate marketing high quality stock images. Number three, how to create money-making marketing video for your product without you recording anything. Number four, how to increase your affiliate marketing commissions with emails you don't have to write. And number five, how to drive targeted traffic to your offer. I'm going to give you the entire affiliate marketing business completely free. But if you want this bonus, you have to watch to the end to find out how to use it. Okay, the first thing that we talked about is how to find the best products on Clickbank. So I want you to go to Google and type in Clickbank, simply Clickbank, and then let's go there. Okay, now we are inside Clickbank. I'm not going to show you exactly how to start a Clickbank. You are on my channel, so I assume that you're smart, that you can do it on your own. All you have to do is click on Marketplace. Okay, now we are on Clickbank. We are under the Marketplace. I just want to make sure you understand this point. If you want to be successful selling anything as far as affiliate marketing or anything online, you have to pick something that is going to be sellable. There are 3 of them, which are health, wealth, and relationships. And that's what we're going to do. There are sub niches, so to speak. Now, in this one, what are we going to do? One of them is, like I mentioned, health, wealth, and relationships. So what we're going to do is we're going to do things. We already clicked on health, right? Now, let's go ahead and just pick product from here. There's nothing, I don't want you to touch any of these things here. Just leave them alone for right now. What are we going to be concentrating on? You see here, it says must have affiliate tools page. These are just resources for you so you can use them. Because if you have resources, so they're already made, you don't have to do it yourself. So what I did here is I created something to sell myself, and I picked something that is going to be interesting. Before we go into this, I just want to let you know that the way Clickbank works is that they put the best product on the top, the second best, and so forth. If you sold 10 of these, the average is $51.13. That's going to be around $500, a little bit above that. So a lot of things that met the criteria for this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into step number 2. Okay, now we are in step number 2, which is free app to use to create affiliate marketing funnel that includes all these free things. So I'm going to show you some tricks. You probably don't know that they exist, but I'm doing this just because when I first got started, nobody helped me out. So I was just trying to find things on my own. So I'm going to show you how to do all that free of charge. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to take advantage of existing app, which is called ConvertKit, and we're going to do all the other stuff. I'm going to show you step by step of how to do it. I'm going to give you all that here. So I would not worry about where I got it from. So I would not worry too much about it. Number one is we're going to find a landing page. Because why? A landing page is so important because you want to send all your leads to that landing page so you can give them something so they can give you their email address. The one that I like to pick is something that is simple and at the same time there's not a whole lot in it and it does not have lots of colors. And this one here looks very good. You click on it, you choose it, and then it comes up. Now, remember, at this point, so far, we did not give any logins. Click on this picture here. When you click on this picture, it's gonna have this pop up, which is image setting. I promised you that there are some high quality images that I'm gonna give that to you, and here they are. When you click on replace, what are we gonna do? We're gonna replace that picture. Now you can upload your picture yourself if you want to, if you have a really good picture, but you don't have to. You click on unsplash. Click on it once, then you can put what is it that you're selling. Now we talked about what, diabetes. The best thing to do is to show humans in it. Okay, now we found one under old couple, this one right here. You just click on it, and what's going to happen is going to replace this one. Okay, after that you would change this right here, which I did change for you, so you don't have to do that. I have already done this for you, okay, and I changed this for you as well. But in case you want to know how to do it, so we can do that under here. Okay, so if you notice, it put in the picture in for you. The image looks very good. Now what we want to do is to get some inspiration to make sure that we is congruent with whatever we are selling. So the best way to do it is to go back to the Clickbank, and then if you see right here says affiliate page, which is affiliate resources. This is the one that I asked you to click on to make sure that you have something like this. So you click on it, then you end up with something like this. Now the first thing that really grabbed my attention, by the way, this is an affiliate resource for the diabetes freedom. So there's a lot of information in it. The first thing that grabbed my attention was this one right here. It says Diabetes Freedom Video Course. So guess what? This is exactly what I am going to do. Okay, I made some changes here, and I want to show you how to make this change here. Now, when you click, when you see the color of this is not a really good color. So you want to go ahead and change it. And the best way to change that is to use something like this. Maybe a little bit darker. Here you go. And then what you want to do is round it up. That should look good. So I made this for you right here. Now what are we going to do is we're going to continue. We click to edit number 2, and then we're going to do the same thing right here as well. Okay, so this is already done right now. So what happens, I'm going to show you before and after. It was something like this. Now it became something like this. This is much more appealing. And right here I put some information. You don't want to put too much information when it comes down here. And then I change this, send me the course. It's in green. So when they click on that, what happens is that I'm going to show you here in just a little bit what happens when they do that. Now, before it was this right here, says my landing page. So you want to click on this and then change it to whatever you want to. In our case, it was the diabetes. We put diabetes freedom. So that's what you're going to have. So what happens after that? It's very simple. Now we were going by the list that we have. Let's go ahead and take a look at it to make sure we're not missing anything. So we got this free landing page, and then we got the stock, we got the image stock, and then we're gonna get the free affiliate marketing email, and I'm gonna show you exactly what we need to do. Now, as you know by now, it is the name of the company is ConvertKit, but we're doing everything. We're doing the funnel through the ConvertKit. Obviously, we're not doing a complete funnel. This is just for beginners, so they'll have something in order for them to keep going. So we got this. Now, what happens after that? All right, so we want to go back to our list here. We've done this, we've done this, we've done the landing page, and we have changed the image, and then we know exactly what is the provider for the emails is going to be. We'll talk a little bit more about that in just a little bit. Let's go to number 3. It says how to create money-making marketing video for your product without you recording anything. This is great. Now, how do I do that? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. We're going to go back right here, and we're going to click on the resource page that I showed you a little while ago. So we click on the resource page, and then we'll go there. Now, when you go to the resource page, you're going to end up right here. Let me move myself right here. And you want to scroll down because this is what we're looking for. We're looking for the video. Now, what you see, VSL stands for Video Sales Letter. This is the main one that they have, which is this. So we grab this right here, and then we're gonna put it in a good place, which I'm gonna show you here in just a little bit. We go back to ConvertKit. Then what's going to happen is, then we go back to ConvertKit to this. We need to go back up here where it says Setting, click on it. And what I did is I put it right here. This is mine, by the way. Now, if you go back and you take a look, it shows you some X's. But if you take a look at the X's, this is where you put your ID. If you look right under how to get started, it says replace the X's with your own Clickbank affiliate ID or nickname. So that's all you have to do. Just follow the instructions and you'll be fine. Just make sure to do that so you can get credit for it when somebody click on your landing page. Okay, let's go back here and make sure we're not missing anything. It says right here, how to create money-making marketing video for your product without recording a video. I did show you the link. So the link is very important. What happens with the link? So even if you go and you click on the link, let's go ahead and click on it right now, it just plays the video. So you're gonna have this video when somebody goes in here, and if you watch it a little bit later on, it gives you a little bit more options. So I already put it inside the landing page. So when they click on that, when they click on continue, send me that course, this is what happens. They would see that video. All right, now let's go ahead and continue. We are on number 4, which is emails. How to get the emails. We need emails as well. So you get in the whole package here with the email. So where do we get the emails? We go back to the resource page that they gave us, and if we take a look here, we take a look at email swipes, and when you click on that, you will have the emails. There are email number 1, number 2, 4, and all that. When you go, this is now we're right here. When you click on this, or when you click on this to continue, they're going to ask you now for your information. In other words, your email address and how you're going to log in. So they're going to create one for you, and the one that they're going to create for you is absolutely free. Now, after you log in, and so they're going to give you access to a free account, but to know what's inside your free account, you don't pay anything. And it's unlimited landing pages, just like we did before. Unlimited traffic. You can send as many traffic as you want. Customized domain, which is something that I want you to get, because you don't want somebody looking at a page with bunch of numbers as a URL. And I'll show you where to get it in the description below. Email broadcast sending, you can do that. 1,000 subscribers for free. Sell digital product, free build and launch courses, all that for free. So make sure you understand this is really free. Okay, so let's say I gave you right now an example of what's inside the free account. Now you know what it is. Now, after you give them the information, they're gonna send you to a sequence name. So you have to give them the information. Then what you want to do is click where you can just build in your sequence. What sequence means is your emails. Okay, you click on generate, you give it a name, and then it'll ask you questions day one, for example, and then you click on this. It's gonna generate day two, and so forth. So you don't have to do much. It's going to send this the first day, second day, third day, and so forth until you finish with that. So what we want to do is basically take the emails from here, copy email number one, and then make sure you put it in email number one right here. So all that is right here. Now let's go ahead and grab back this and see how we're going to do that. Now, the most important thing is that, you know, how to drive traffic to your offer. And I'm going to show you that in just a little bit because if there is no traffic, there is nothing. And I'm talking about targeted traffic. A lot of people, what they do is they get free traffic. It's very difficult to get some really decent free traffic, especially if you want to get going very quickly. But I'm going to show you exactly where we actually do get our traffic, targeted traffic. In other words, people looking for what you are selling. They send them to you automatically, and of course there's a price for that, but the price is a lot better than spending a lot of time trying to wait for somebody who is serious that wants to buy. So as far as the price, I would not worry too much about the price because it's very, very low. And then you get to pick and choose the person that you want to work with. I'll leave that in the description area below where you can take a look at it and decide if you want to do it or not. Now, I talked about this before. I talked about, I'm going to give you the entire affiliate marketing business completely free if you waited. Now, looks like you waited. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and tell you where to get that from. In other words, what you will have is everything. Let me go ahead and give you an example. Okay, so when you go in the description below, you're gonna see a link that says my affiliate business. It's gonna say my affiliate business funnel. When you click on that, this is exactly what you're gonna see because I have built this for you right here. I built the diabetes freedom form, which is the landing page. And when somebody land on that landing page, they go through the process that we set them up, that I set them up in front of you, and then they would go. We're gonna tag them so we'll know, you know, what is this? This is, you know, where your customers are going. Just like you, it's like a bucket for all these people that are coming from a particular, for example, for particular a product, which is the diabetes freedom. So the emails are taken care of. And then what I did in the bottom, I put 100. This is a delay time. I put 100 days so you can make a decision. In other words, if you have another person who did not buy maybe after 5 days or 10 days or so, then you can send them to another funnel that you can create. And there's a lot of people here that will help you, so that would not be an issue. So what's going to happen is you want to click on this one here. It says use the automation. When you click on use the automation, this that you see right here is going to get imported free to your ConvertKit funnel account. So you don't have to do anything. Everything is taken care of. You already imported exactly what I have. Just make sure that you put all your information, or if you want to make some changes to it, make sure you do that as well. So everything is there for you to use. If you want to know everything about affiliate marketing, click here. If you want to know about the top affiliate marketers in the world, click here. And as usual, I'll see you at the top.